In this video, I'm going to show you gift card. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any device. I'm using a computer, but you can do the exact process if you are on laptop, just for example. So you need to come to your Steam, log to your account, then you will see 5 options at the top left corner: Steam, View, Friends and Games. Click on Games and here you will see activate a product on Steam or redeem a Steam wallet code. Now you need to see if you have a Steam wallet code on your gift card or a game to just activate. So if you have a game just to activate, click on activate a product on Steam. But if you have funds to add to Steam with gift card, click on redeem a Steam wallet code. Here you will put your Steam wallet code, click on continue, that it will add funds to your wallet balance. Then you just need to click again on story, come on search and search the game that you want to buy. So for example, I will select this one, Counter-Strike Source. Now swipe down, click add to cart. You will come to this option right here and click purchase for myself. Now you will see the payment method, so select my Steam wallet, mark this option and click purchase to purchase the game with gift card. I hope I helped you how to purchase games on Steam with gift card. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.